Welcome to the Shortwave radio channel, and we are going to tune from 11,000 to a little more than 12,000. Since it's the end of the 25 meter band shortwave international broadcast, I'm going to go to about 12,100 in case we see or miss any radio stations, maybe a little more. So it is 0220 Universal Time, and we're going to start tuning the first half from 11 to 11,500 in upper sideband, because here there's utility, military, all sorts of things in there that could come up. And at 11,500 roughly, we're going to tune in AM mode. Of course, on the Kenwood R-5000. This is the Pinberg, Germany DWD station. Let's see if we can check out any RTTY signal. Decode. There we go. Getting in any interesting decode here, but this should be the Pinberg, Germany weather station.
Temperature 21, viewpoint 19, kHz 1016, Mozambique. Information available.
Really strong signal. This is Royal Air Force One, Military One weather station in the United Kingdom. 11253 kHz upper sideband. I don't think I've ever heard it on that frequency so loud. Look at that, without any attenuation. My signal is going on a S9 plus 20 at least.
Variable between 160 and 230 degrees.
So 11,600, we're going to tune in AM mode for the international broadcast band. See what's up there. لذلك العالم يعتبرنا Well, this could technically be an 11745 either Al Azim radio or in Arabic or Radio Free Asia. And that doesn't sound. I'm not sure if it's Arabic or not, but 11760's radio van at Cuba, really weak. A very, very strong signal from Radio Nacional Amazona, Brazil, 11780 kHz. Probably Radio Havana, Cuba with no modulation here. Radio Marti might be gone, but this is the Cuban jamming. I'm not really sure about this one. I don't see anything that tells me what it could be at 0225. 11965. So there's interference, but this is a very weak BBC from Oman, 12095. So that was tuning of 11,000 to 12,190, 200 of the 25 meter band and utility on the Kenwood R-5000. Hope you enjoyed the videos on an evening with the Kenwood R-5000 receiver.